Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust torsion bars on a Ford Ranger. Before starting, always ensure your safety by properly supporting your truck with jack stands and chocks. Begin by measuring your truck's current front and rear ride height from the ground to the fender well. This provides a baseline for your adjustments. You will need a 1/2-inch socket, a long breaker bar for leverage, and a reliable measuring tape. Next, locate the torsion bars, which are visible a couple of feet behind each front wheel. There is one bar for each side of the front suspension. Take a moment to clean any dirt or rust from around the adjuster bolts. This step is crucial for clear visibility. Using a bright paint marker or a Dremel, carefully mark the original position of each adjuster bolt. This mark will serve as a reference point if you need to return to the stock setting. Now it is time to adjust. Safely lift the front of your truck using a hydraulic jack until the tires are slightly off the ground. This relieves tension on the torsion bars, making the bolts easier to turn. Using your 1/2-inch socket and breaker bar, turn each adjuster bolt clockwise to raise the front end. Make small, even adjustments like a 1/2 turn at a time on both sides. Lower the truck, drive it a short distance to settle the suspension, and then remeasure. Once you have achieved your desired front ride height, drive your Ranger around the block to allow the suspension to settle fully. Recheck your measurements to ensure both sides are even and that you have achieved the lift you wanted, often between 1.5 to 2 inches. Finally, and this is very important, get a professional front-end alignment. Adjusting torsion bars changes suspension geometry, and an alignment will prevent premature tire wear and ensure proper handling.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.